Many whitening products fail because of the same reason that many consumer gadgets fail, and that is because they focus on one single feature rather than a system as a whole. And stronger chemicals, brighter lights, and even more aggressive vibration, they don't always automatically lead to better results if the chemistry, the hardware, and the real-world usage are not designed to work together. And honestly, that's where a lot of whitening products kind of fall apart. They're built around one hero feature, but what that usually means in real life is more steps, more time, and a routine that's harder to stick to. And when something feels inconvenient, most people just don't use it consistently. And without consistency, whitening results are always going to be a hit or miss. And that's why a true two-in-one approach actually makes a lot of sense. The Bixdo W60 Blue Light Electric Toothbrush approaches whitening differently as a closed-loop oral care system and not a standalone whitening add-on. And the Bixdo W60 is a blue light whitening electric toothbrush designed to clean and whiten teeth at the same time during a normal daily brushing. And instead of separating brushing and whitening into different steps, devices, or routines, the Bixdo integrates a sonic electric brushing, a calibrated 460 nanometer blue light, a PAP-based whitening agent, and a consistent daily use. And this is all integrated into a single and repeatable system designed for long-term effectiveness. And most whitening solutions ask users to change their behavior, adding strips, trays, timers, or appointments. And from a product design standpoint, that's where the compliance breaks down. Now take traditional whitening strips for example. They take 30 to 45 minutes and they add an extra step and often causing discomfort from holding something in your mouth. Or on the other hand, we have in-office treatments. They work, but they're very expensive, time-consuming, and they require an appointment. And all of these factors add friction, and that reduces consistency. The W60 is designed around an action that people already perform twice a day, brushing their teeth, and whitening is embedded into that routine rather than added on top of it, which is critical for real-world results. Now let's get a little bit more technical because this is a clinically inspired blue light technology, and the W60 uses a 460 nanometer blue light wavelength, and it's pretty much the same logic within in-office whitening sessions. Blue light is paired with the whitening ingredient to break down the stains, and the blue light below 430 nanometers can raise the eye safety concerns, while the 460 nanometers sits in the range that's widely used for whitening applications and suitable for everyday use. And it delivers measured energy output of 300 watts per square meter, calibrated for whitening efficacy without overexposure. And a lot of devices just shine the blue light, but without the correct wavelength and enough stable energy, that light doesn't really do much. And rather than emphasizing raw power, the system focuses on precision, ensuring the light activates the whitening agent effectively across the tooth surface. Next, we got the PAP-based whitening chemistry. And instead of hydroxygen peroxide that whitening strips in office treatments use, the W60 uses the PAP-based whitening agent, and the PAP does not release free radicals, which is the primary cause of post-whitening sensitivity. This makes the system suitable for daily use, including the users who have experienced discomfort with traditional whitening methods. Importantly, this is a safer chemistry, not a weaker one, designed for consistent use rather than occasional high-intensity treatments. Next, we got the integrated cleaning plus the whitening system, because most whitening products separate plaque removal and whitening into different steps. The W60 synchronizes both processes. Brushing removes plaque and surface buildup, and the blue light activates whitening agents simultaneously. And the integration improves coverage and reduces whitening blind spots, since whitening occurs while tooth surface is actively being cleaned. No added steps, no extended sessions, no behavior change required. Now, the whitening system was developed with dental expertise and is supported by multiple clinical studies and testings, validating the underlying whitening mechanism. And rather than positioning whitening as a cosmetic shortcut, the W60 frames it as a preventive, gradual oral care aligned with the enamel health and long-term use. And according to the brand's clinical testing, in about 14 days of consistent use, you can see whitening results comparable to an in-office blue light treatment. And the difference, instead of paying hundreds for one intense session, you can get the gradual results through daily brushing, just over $100. And one thing that stood out was how it handled common stains. It was tested against 10 everyday staining sources like coffee, tea, and wine. And after 24 hours of staining, just a few minutes of brushing with the PAP toothpaste showed visible fading, and if it can tackle that in testing, that's a strong sign that it can handle everyday stains as well. Now beyond the whitening, this is a fully featured smart electric toothbrush, and it has a mist spot reminder to alert you if you skipped an area, and also an overpressure indicator that turns orange if you're brushing too hard, which is helping you protect the enamel. And there are 4 different cleaning modes: the fast, the deep, the soft, and the white, and it's IPX7 waterproof, and the battery lasts up to 180 days on a single charge, so you're not constantly recharging it. So I think this is great for users who are looking to combine cleaning and whitening into a single evidence-based routine, and the Bixdo W60 offers a technically sound approach to a daily oral care. So go ahead and check out the link in the description below for a 20% off. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.